The Fanttik Slim V8 8 Apex vacuum is a compact, cordless handheld designed for quick cleanups in cars, offices, and around computer gear rather than whole house deep cleaning. Its brushless motor delivers strong suction for light debris with an efficient high setting for stubborn spots and a lower mode that stretches runtime for routine touch-ups. A generous kit of attachments, including crevice tools, brushes, and a flexible hose, makes it surprisingly capable at reaching tight gaps and lifting dust from fabric and keyboards. The unit is very light in weight and slim in shape, so it is easy to maneuver with one hand and simple to stash in the included storage bag or a glove compartment. Emptying the bin is hygienic and straightforward thanks to a one-press release mechanism and a fine filter system that traps most dust and tiny particles inside the canister. Convenient Type-C charging and relatively fast recharge times mean it can be topped up from a car outlet, power bank, or standard charger, so it is ready whenever a small mess appears.